Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete or remove the Instagram app from your Android smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So this process is very similar for iOS devices as well as pretty much all Android devices, whether it's a Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or different smartphone device. Basically, you just want to locate the Instagram app on your home screen and just select it or hold down on it. And then you want to select where it says a little eye icon, it says information. Go ahead and select that to open up the app settings. Then you want to select the uninstall button on this page. It's going to say, do you want to uninstall this app? Select OK and give that a moment. And it should say uninstalled Instagram. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.